Good evening, good evening, good evening. It is February 4th, 2023. I'm meteorologist Beau. We don't have any weather concerns over the next few days. A warming trend, a strong warming trend compared to what we've had the last few days. We're going to melt that ice away, and these tight isobars equal lines of pressure, barometric pressure. You got a barometer on your home wall somewhere. Equal lines of pressure, when they're tightly packed together, that equals windy conditions. So we are going to have some gusty winds over the next few days. Nothing too crazy, but some gusts above 30 miles per hour from time to time. As we move into Tuesday, we're going to see some warm air advection, a front move in, and maybe some scattered light showers. This is not a big deal for Tuesday. The bigger system holds off and arrives on Tuesday night late into Wednesday. And Wednesday night, we see this area of low pressure developing over Arkansas, moving northeast. We'll have to keep an eye out for some thunderstorms in here. Right now, it doesn't look like a severe risk, but I can't rule it out. If the low passes to our north and west, that would put us in the warm sector where the warmer, humid air is located. And then we move through Thursday, Wednesday night and Thursday, and we see the system wrap up as it moves into Michigan with a 993, 992 millibar low. That's a pretty tight low with some gusty winds on the backside. Then we are going to have to watch a second system that the models keep picking up on that arrives in the region on Friday. Now, that occasionally does show the prospects of snow. Other models show rain. The ensembles are mixed ideas. Some show snow, some show rain. Some show rain. Say that fast. So we'll keep an eye on that. I can't rule out rain or snow next Friday, but for now, confidence on that portion of the forecast is fairly low. So we keep moving through next weekend. It is a little cooler, but then we warm up again, and we'll watch yet another storm system take shape around February 15th. This one brings us more rain according to the GFS. The long-range models have done quite well over the past few months with sniffing out these storm systems 10, 15, 20 days in advance, even 30 days in advance. So February does look active with several chances of showers and thunderstorms. We'll have to keep an eye on those warmer than average temperatures, as that could spell some trouble when it comes to severe weather threats. And we don't have a severe weather threat yet, but it is something I'm watching. If we look at rain totals, we'll back it up here. And we'll move forward in time into Tuesday, some light rain, but then Wednesday, a little bit heavier rain, perhaps an inch or more. And then if we move out in time and we show those other systems, kind of adds on to the rain as we move through the month. And there's some pretty big totals in here. So let's keep an eye on this. So I've been a little concerned about the amount of rain and moisture falling in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley over the last month or two. We came out of drought as predicted, and now we're in an active period, and that active weather looks to continue. If this continues in the spring, then we're going to have flooding issues. So we don't want that to happen. We're kind of threading the needle here of we need the rain, we don't need the rain. We've got the frozen ground, so any rain that falls on top of that is going to be a muddy mess is what we're going to end up with as we move through this week. Mud season, as some people would call it. So we'll keep an eye on the Wednesday system, Wednesday night, for thunderstorms. For now, severe weather risk is not zero, but it's low. And then we'll keep an eye on Friday with that second storm system that I mentioned right here. Low confidence on that one. High confidence on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday forecast. Low confidence on the Friday. We are expecting temperatures tomorrow in the 50s, Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday in the 50s. Someone may even hit 60 degrees. We'll see about that. But either way, much milder air and well above the seasonal averages of around 42 degrees for highs this time of year. Okay, so that's it for right now. Have a good night.